Alright. So, I already did a little bit of unboxing. Everything came in pretty well packaged. No scratches or anything. All the hardware is attached right to the end of the bar. So, I'll show this to you in a minute. This is your factory mount for your roll cage. So far, all I can say is it seems pretty simple, but my luck, I'm gonna get into something crazy. But it looks like you just take this off, loosen it up, use the provided bolts to attach the new harness bar and tighten it back up and go from there. So we're going to get all this out of the box and we will see what we've got. Alright, I'm using a new camera mount, so let's see how this works. Alright, so here's the bar. Comes with a slightly not straight dragonfire decal. You've got all your hardware tied up there. It seems like a lot of hardware for what I'm thinking the job's going to be. So alright, so the reason that there's so many pieces in the hardware is it includes the mounting hardware for your actual harness bar, and then the seatbelt brackets that you attach to the harness bar. So, found the instructions. These are great in a lot of aspects. Always double check your hardware and make sure you got the right stuff before you get all this stuff unboxed. I did not do that. Looks like I have all the right stuff. We'll see. There are 6 steps to get this thing completed. The first 3 involve mounting the harness hardware to the harness mount. I'm going to skip that for now. We're just going to get these on here. These are 14mm bolts, so we're going to get those taken off and get this thing bolted up with the new hardware. You've got your 4 half-inch hex head bolts. You've got the washers that go with it. You got your nylon lock nut, and then you have your M10 hardware for mounting the bar back onto the stock roll cage. These are slightly bigger than the stock bolt to accommodate for the extra metal that's going to be sticking in there. So these will not be reused. You can just put those in your extra bolt bin. All right, so you take your provided M10. It looks like your stock cage, just from not having the bolts in it, is hanging down a little bit, so you want to make sure that that's lined up. And just get these started by hand. Alright, so as you can see, I've got just one hanging there by hand. We'll come over here, we'll do the other side. So far, super easy. I'll update you guys in a little bit. Alright, once you get all 4 in there, hand tight, then same 14mm socket, and start cranking these down. It says to tighten to torque specifications. There you have it. Harness bar. Super simple install. Took me 10 minutes and I was not doing it in a hurry. I'm trying to figure out how to record with an iPhone and a $10 little tripod thing I bought. So if I can do it, anybody can do it, and it's a big safety thing. So we'll get into the installing the actual harnesses, removing the seatbelt and everything here in a little bit. All right, so I've already got into my package from Aces Racing. It's a 4-point harness. I got these mainly because my 4-year-old's a little bit too big for a harness seat. Speaking of, hey buddy, like a bump seat that goes here in the middle. But the seatbelt, I mean, it's pretty good, but he's still too little for it to actually fit him correctly. So that's why I went ahead and got the harnesses. They seem pretty good quality. Nice big pad on them. So we'll get into installing them.